Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Zen and I'm a PDR technician. PDR is a technique called Paintless Dent Repair, where we repair damage like this on vehicles using no paint, no filler, no paint, just pushing and making it look good. So today we have this Toyota GT, and as you can see, the damage right here. We're gonna try to fix this. So let's see how it goes. As you can see, the damage is quite severe. Also, this edge is bent and we're gonna have to knock it down, but the damage goes anywhere from here all the way basically up here. You can see this low, see, and we have a crown going like this. Check it out. See the crown. I will start this repair with glue pulling. I'll try to glue pull as much as I can and see how far we go. Hopefully we can get to this point that we don't need to touch it with a tool. Why? Because here it's double plated. It means that's the panel we're fixing, and underneath it's another one. There is no access, like direct open access. So I'm gonna glue pull first, see how far I can get. If it's not good enough, then we're gonna lift the car up, take this tire off, take this plastic off, and hope there are some access holes in the back so we can put a tool on it and finish it. Let's go! This is as far as I'm willing to go with the glue because of two reasons. First one is I just see that there's not much more movement going on. The dent is not unlocking. I just need to get a tool on it to be able to finish it. And the second reason is, like, I don't want to continue too much and then pull the paint, because it's very important to customer to keep the original paint on this vehicle. And when you're glue pulling, the chances of pulling the paint exist. So if we need to put a tool on it to make it perfect, better do it sooner than later. took down the cover here. I took the tire off, took the cover off. Turns out no access. And I didn't want to drill a hole, so no other option but to go in this way. Had to remove this cover here. This rubber cover, and basically I'm finding access here to push. And we are on the way. So it didn't turn out 100%. There's still here on this edge, there's tiny lows. I just couldn't get in with the tool from the other side, and I couldn't glue pull them. But other than that, the repair is great. I let the customer know in front of the repair that this edge might be an issue, so they know. Hope they're gonna be happy with the result. It was a pleasure working on this rare car. A little bit sad that it didn't go 100%, but I hope the customer will be happy. And like always, thank you so much for watching. Press the like, press the subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.